Most people get travel credit cards wrong by not considering currency and foreign transaction fees, but the CBQS dollar Aventura Gold Visa is specifically designed for U.S. dollar transactions and frequent travelers. The card earns 1.75 points per dollar on all purchases in U.S. dollars and 1 point per dollar on other currencies. The surprising truth? If you spend regularly in U.S. dollars, such as online subscriptions or travel expenses, you avoid conversion fees and earn more points than typical Canadian credit cards. The Aventura program is flexible. Points can be redeemed for flights, hotels, car rentals, and even merchandise. I tested booking a US-based flight, and the redemption process was smooth, with no hidden fees. Most people get this wrong by underestimating how valuable avoiding foreign transaction fees can be over a year. Savings can add up significantly. The card also provides travel insurance, including trip interruption and travel accident coverage, which is essential for international trips. There's an annual fee, but the points and benefits can easily offset the cost if you travel frequently. In conclusion, the CBQS dollar Aventura Gold Visa is ideal for Canadians who spend or travel in U.S. dollars regularly. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on points. They should consider currency flexibility, insurance, and fee savings as part of the overall value. Subscribe for more honest travel and credit card reviews so you can maximize rewards and minimize fees.